What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's One Mirror McGee, Mr. 10K, because we just hit 10,000 miles. Well, 100 miles ago, but we hit it. It's been a crazy journey getting to 10K miles. A lot's happened, a lot of experiences with this bike. But there's definitely a burning question, and that's what's next. And I'm gonna be completely honest with y'all. I don't really know what I want to make this yet, whether it's like a strictly street bike, strictly drag bike. I'm not sure, because I definitely want to get something else. I'm gonna give y'all a couple hints on what it's going to be next. Not a Suzuki, not a Harley, not a cruiser. That's it. That's all y'all get. But with that next bike, I think the plan is to have that as my weekend warrior race bike, and then this be a drag bike. But I don't know yet. A lot can change. My mind tends to wander in different directions at different times, so we'll see. But I love this thing so much, man. I will be doing a final review. Just lay it all out on the table of what you get with this bike. Is it worth it? Is it not? What's a better option? What's a good bike to come from? You know, all those things. A few videos ago, I did a pull and the check engine light came on. This is now the third time every weekend I've been home and taken this bike out. It's throwing a check engine light every time. This morning I started it up from a previous check engine light, drove a couple miles, and it cleared itself. It's a little frustrating when you're doing mods and you're scared that a mod might affect it, and then something happens and check engine light comes on. I don't know, man. It's all these bikes are temperamental nowadays. I have a new mod coming today, actually, and I will be doing a video on it. The integrated rear tail light. Super excited for that, because with that, it integrated turn signals. You can get rid of the rear stalks, which I don't know, they look good. It's just it'll look better once it's gone. When you hit the brakes, they flash, which is nice. It says that it's got an LED light on the bottom of it for the tag. I don't know how true that is. I will keep the one I have now with the LED on it, because there's no point to get rid of it. But as far as this bike, I don't think there's going to be many more mods. I mean, down the road I will, but I want to start saving for the next thing. And no, I'm not getting rid of this bike. It's going nowhere. It's staying here. This bike means a lot to me. But a couple big mods and a lot of, you know, minor little ones are to come, but I'm not going to really throw all my attention into this after I do the big ones that I have planned, because it'll pretty much be done by that point. But it's really exciting to start wrapping up a build. I totally forgot to do an outro for this video, so if you guys liked the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, button, good sub, stick around if you're new. Be seeing you on the flip side. Peace.